How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Daniel.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Tuesday.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Are you tired today?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Do you work today?
Yes, I work today.
Do you study today?
Yes, I study today.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you wait here?
Yes, I can wait here.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
Is this your bag?
Yes, this is my bag.
Is this your phone?
Yes, this is my phone.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you have a bike?
No, I do not have a bike.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Do you like burgers?
Yes, I like burgers.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy now.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Do you like football?
Yes, I like football.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds.
Do you go to bed late?
No, I go to bed early.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water often.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer every day.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I use my phone many times a day.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books at night.
Do you write emails?
Yes, I write emails for work.
Do you send messages?
Yes, I send messages to my friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping on weekends.
Do you buy clothes often?
Yes, I buy clothes sometimes.
Do you wear a uniform?
No, I do not wear a uniform.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work in an office.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home sometimes.
Do you have a manager?
Yes, I have a manager.
Do you have coworkers?
Yes, I have many coworkers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job very much.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, I feel tired after work.
Do you relax at home?
Yes, I relax at home in the evening.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Do you wash dishes?
Yes, I wash dishes after dinner.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room every week.
Do you do laundry?
Yes, I do laundry on Sunday.
Do you go outside often?
Yes, I go outside every day.
Do you walk to work?
No, I drive to work.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, I take the bus sometimes.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel once a year.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I like airplanes.
Do you visit your family?
Yes, I visit my family on holidays.
Do you call your parents?
Yes, I call my parents every week.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you have children?
No, I do not have children.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like my neighborhood.
Do you have good neighbors?
Yes, I have very good neighbors.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park on weekends.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play sports with my friends.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you run in the morning?
Yes, I run in the morning.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch at work.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a short break.
Do you finish work late?
No, I finish work early.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English every day.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking with my friends.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music at home.
Do you watch movies at night?
Yes, I watch movies at night.
Do you go to sleep early?
Yes, I go to sleep early.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, I set an alarm every day.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone in the morning.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I drink juice sometimes.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream very much.
Do you go to restaurants?
Yes, I go to restaurants on weekends.
Do you order food online?
Yes, I order food online.
Do you pay by card?
Yes, I pay by card.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money every month.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, I have a bank account.
Do you check your email daily?
Yes, I check my email daily.
Do you make plans for the weekend?
Yes, I make plans for the weekend.
Do you enjoy your life?
Yes, I enjoy my life very much.
Are you ready to learn English?
Yes, I am ready to learn English.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early every day.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8 o'clock.
Thank you for watching this English conversation. We hope this lesson helped you learn new vocabulary and improve your listening skills. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more English conversations and lessons. Keep practicing every day, stay motivated, and remember that small progress leads to big success. See you in the next video.